Today, I will show you the difference between assembling a rigid coupling with our proprietary Nypatch hardware on the left side and standard hardware that requires thread locking treatment prior to installation on the right side. The Nypatch install is sped up by 2 times and the non-Nypatch by 4 times. Ruland is the only manufacturer to apply an anti-vibration coating to hardware as part of its standard rigid coupling product line, which saves a significant amount of time in assembly. Rigid couplings are often used in industrial applications such as conveyors, mixers, and cartners where vibration may be present. Having to apply a thread locker to ensure the screws do not back out during operation can be time-consuming, even for high-performing assemblers. Both couplings are going through our standard rigid coupling installation procedure, which can be found on Ruland.com. As you can see, the assembly with no Nypatch takes about twice as long. While results will vary, there is a clear advantage to using the Ruland rigid coupling instead of a competitor.